Hey there! Today we're diving deeper into trading education and focusing on candlestick patterns. Specifically, we'll break down the 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows. We'll go into detail on these patterns and explain how to use them to your advantage. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's start with the basics. The 3 white soldiers is a candlestick pattern that signals a potential upward reversal after a period of decline. It consists of 3 consecutive green candles, each closing higher than the previous one. The bodies of the second and the third candles should be about the same size. If the third candle is noticeably shorter than the preceding 2 candles, it means that buyers are not in full control, which may indicate inactive buyers. Also, these candles either have short shadows or no shadows at all. On the opposite side, we have the 3 black crows. This pattern indicates a potential downward reversal after an upward trend. It comprises 3 consecutive red candles, each closing lower than the previous one. These patterns serve as a solid signal for identifying trend reversals. Why are these patterns so important? They help traders spot when market sentiment is shifting. For example, the 3 white soldiers can signal that a bearish trend is coming to an end and buyers are starting to gain strength. This can be an excellent opportunity to open long positions. On the flip side, the 3 black crows indicate that a bullish trend is losing steam and the market is primed for a correction or a drop. This is a perfect time to close positions or open short trades. Here is an example of the 3 white soldiers. Notice how the price starts to rise after a period of decline. The 3 consecutive green candles show the strength of the buyers and a new uptrend begins. At this point, you could have opened long positions expecting further growth. Now, let's check out the opposite scenario. Here we see how 3 consecutive red candles appear after a solid upward move. This signals that sellers are starting to take control and the market is ready for a drop. It's a great moment to exit the trade or open short positions. Seems pretty clear, right? But how do you use these patterns effectively in practice? First off, don't use these patterns separately. While 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows are strong signals, they don't guarantee 100% accuracy. Always confirm them with other indicators. By the way, be sure to check out our videos on trading volume and support resistance levels. They'll help you analyze charts more effectively. We've already got them up on the channel. The 3 white soldiers pattern often signals the start of a sustained trend. It shows strong buying momentum, and we know that trends almost always begin with powerful impulse moves. Quite often, after the formation of the 3 soldiers, there is a small pullback that usually doesn't fall below the low of the second candle. As for the 3 black crows, they usually indicate an upcoming correction. The logic is the same. If you see the crows, the market is likely to go through a brief correction phase before continuing to drop following the pattern. Here's a visual example for better understanding. To sum it up, the 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows are powerful candlestick patterns that can help you make more informed trading decisions. I hope you found this useful. See you in the next video. Take care.